Hi guys. Okay, so for today's tech challenge, I'm kind of torn here. So it's about quarter to 7 right now. It's about 6:30 is when I was able to get to it today. I was going through approving your posts. You guys are doing so awesome. I love the stuff you're sharing. And so when I read Isla's about being bored, she's gonna go make a craft, I thought, oh, that could be a good way to hide our tech challenge Easter egg. So I made this post 7 minutes ago. If you have any cool craft ideas like coloring Easter eggs, let me know by sending me a message in Canvas. And the Easter egg was your Easter egg hint that was our hidden clue there, that this is the thing you had to do. And the challenge is to send me a message in Canvas, because we kind of talked about it in Zoom for those of you that were able to join us. And those of you who weren't, I wanted to just put it in here and see if you could figure it out. So then I went into my Canvas and I first saw this message from Emmy. It says, "Hi, how are you?" She sent me at almost 3 o'clock. So I replied to her. So I sent my response and I thought, wait a minute. She sent me a message in Canvas at 2:53. Well, that's weird because a little while after that, I had stopped by her house and dropped off her prize because she won the second tech challenge yesterday. And I was like, and she said she was still on Zoom, and I thought, well, I thought she was on Zoom, so how come she's sending me a message in Canvas? So then the next message I saw was Eloise's message, and it just said hi, and in the title it said, "I'm doing what Emmy is explaining to us on the Zoom." So then I realized, oh, so then not only were you guys like chatting after, but then Emmy was giving her own tech tutorial or tech lesson about how to send me messages on Canvas, because that's something we talked about in the Zoom. So that is really cool. That makes me really proud. You guys were, helping each other figure stuff out, and then Eloise tested it out. I'm like shocked. So because Emmy's won the last 2 in a row, I think it's really cool that she did that little lesson about how to send me a message in Canvas. But since Eloise is technically the first person who sent me a message in Canvas, which is the Easter egg I had just made up right before I saw that, I'm going to give Eloise the winner prize today, because she did that. She wanted to learn how to do it. She asked Emmy. Emmy told her how. She figured it out. So she gets the prize. And don't worry, although I'm just doing one tech challenge a day, I have plenty of prizes. And next week I can kind of work in more rewards and not just a tech challenge rewards. So don't worry if you haven't found them or it's a little hard or tricky. They're coming. We're learning as we go. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.